In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. This process is pivotal to keep you in the loop whenever someone fills out a form on your website. By setting this up, you'll ensure that form submissions are efficiently communicated to the right team members, keeping your operations smooth and well organized. To kick things off, you need to select the form you want to edit. You can do this by clicking on your form element directly on the canvas, or if you prefer a more structured overview, you can locate it in the Navigator panel. This interface allows you to manage your elements with precision and ease. Once you have your form selected, look over to the right-hand side of your designer. Here you'll find the Settings panel. This is where you can make the changes necessary to organize your form's email notifications. Within the Settings panel, find the section labeled as Form Settings. Here lies the key to adding email notifications. To start, locate the Send To section and click on the Add icon next to it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Email Notifications. This step is crucial as it connects your form submissions to your email, allowing seamless communication. Now that you've enabled email notifications, it's time to enter your recipient details. In the To field that appears, input the email address where you'd like these submissions to be sent. If you have multiple recipients in mind, simply press Return after each email address. This adds each one individually, ensuring that everyone who needs to be informed stays in the loop. Next, let's set up your sender information. Enter a sender name to specify who's sending the email, and make sure to specify a reply to email address. It's important to note that you have the flexibility to manually enter this email or to use a form field value, such as the submitter's email, for a more personalized touch. Now take a moment to customize the subject line of your notification emails. This is where you can engage those receiving the emails, making it clear what the email pertains to. You even have the option to use dynamic form field values within this subject line, adding a layer of personalization. The next step is crafting the email body. In this section, you can mix static text with dynamic form data. Feel free to include the site name and a direct link to view the form submissions in Webflow. This customization makes your notifications more informative and easier to navigate. Once you have everything set up to your satisfaction, don't forget to click Apply. This saves all your new settings so you won't lose any changes. Finally, remember to publish your site. Only then will these new settings take effect, ensuring that your email notifications will work as planned. By following these steps, you'll have your form submissions efficiently notifying everyone who needs to stay in the loop.